and go home. This is our MDVR8102S. This is for channel. One cable is for power, and another cable is for channel 2 and channel 3, channel 4. You can see this housing. We made a heat sink because if the camera and mobile device too high temperature, it will be hot for the housing. So we add this sink here, it will be better for display the temperature. So we design well, and in this week, today is June 18th, and we design well only this week. So you will get our new housing from this week. You will like it. Thank you everyone. Bye.